Hello, my dear viewers. How are you? I hope everyone is fine. So, once again, with a new video, as I am just informing you with the tips and tricks in my videos and the complete guide. So, here is a video because the market trend is very down. So, I have just to inform you guys. So, this is the best time that you can invest in crypto and you can have a margin of profit as soon as maybe within a very short span of time, so you can have a profit in 1 or 2 weeks because the market is right now in the bearish mode and it will be soon in the bullish mode, so you can have a profit. It is a huge potential that you can get a profit in a short span of time because this right now, as I have explained earlier, the last month when the market was down, so most of my viewers and my friends got a great profit from it and gains a lot. So this is again I am informing you. So here you can see the BTC is very down right now, and I hope so it will be goes down a little bit more because the trend is right now the bearish and it's getting down. So it will be around 35 to 36,000. I hope so. And you can see here as well the Ethereum is very down 2600, so it might be have around 2300 to 2500 as approach it will gonna meet. So you can have a look into it, and it's the best time to buy and hold it. Maybe I'm damn sure that you will get a profit in 2 weeks because the market will revive back. So this is the very volatile market, so it has an ups and down with a huge margin, with a huge difference. If you are in a trade or in a future trade specifically and you know how to do it, you can have a profit while the market is going up, and you can earn a profit while the market is going down. So this is the beauty of this market. But I highly recommend that you avoid future trading because it's a very risky. Without proper knowledge and the practice, you can lose your cryptos, you can lose your amount, man. So use wisely, trade wisely, and earn wisely. Okay, and the most important is invest wisely. So here is some of the coins that I am going to share with you that you can buy right now because the market is rightly in the moment of investing. So just let me know. As you can see here, the hot gainers are from the last 24-hour stages is BNB and BTC are the most hot coins. You can see the gainers category as well. Yeah, here some of the most coins that I have highly recommended to my people. So INGA is the coins that you can have a look into it. It has a huge margin. So these are the losers coin who loses around the 24-hour market trend. So here it is, 24-hour volume of the coins. So let me share with you the coins that you have to invest, the top most coins that you can invest, or if you are the beginner, you can have a look into it. So the topmost priority has been given to BNB and Ethereum. Why? Because it has a huge potential to give you your return back in a short span of time. So these are the coins who has a very huge volatility volume, so it can goes up in a short span. You can earn a lot within a short span of time, but the condition is you have to invest into more into it. For example, if you want to invest $1,000, so make sure that the 60 to 70% of your investment should be go into these two coins, right? And for the long-term coins, you can have a look into 1inch, Link. Here is Link. These are the long-term coins. Theta. I remember the Atom when I have investment into Atom, I bought it around $6 to $7. So right now it's, you can see, $25, and still it has a huge potential for a long term. You can keep it. Wet. This is also for a long term. Let's go down. Let me show you some NFTs like lit. So this has a potential for long term. Lit sand as well. Sand is the having a potential. Sand is also NFT, is using in the metaverse industry. And ADA, the one of the best coins that you can keep for a long term, maybe 6 months or a year, it will have a huge potential. Right now it's again around 0.9, and last 2 months back it was around $2 or plus. So these are the short coins that I am recommending you if you are a beginner or intermediate level of holding the coins, not a trader. ENJ is also an NFT. Lena has a potential for a huge long term. Matic, no, leave it, because I have already keeping it for a year, but I haven't get any advantage of it. So Neo, yeah, Neo is right now is in the around $23, but before 6 months it was around $7-8. So let's go down. SKL, you can buy this SKL token as well. Yeah, the most important Shiba coin, you can have it for a long term. Sand, as I have told you, Sand has a potential. XCC, yeah, it's also for as an NFT. So XCC you can keep it for a long term. Omantra, yeah, it's also you can keep it for a long term coin, considering it as a long term coin. SNX and Sushi, so and AVX. So these are the coins that I highly recommend you to hold it if you want to get your passive income started, passive income journey to get started. So take a look into these coins, list it down into a paper, and then plan accordingly how much investment you want to make. For example, if you want to make $1,000 investment, so 60% of your investment should be gone into the highly volatile coins like BNB, Ethereum, and LTC and ETC as well, right? So, and the rest of the amount should be gone into the long-term coins, as I have mentioned. So take a look into it and get a benefit from it. I hope you will like the video as well, as you are having a great advantage from my videos, as I am explaining all videos step by step and practical demonstration with the practical demonstration, so people are getting a good benefit from it. So because none of the YouTube videos contains guidance that how you can start and how you can do the process, so I am just presenting all the processes, that there is no confusion. Still, if there is any confusion or any queries, you can comment and you can reach out to my messenger and like my Facebook page as well. So share the video with your fellows who are interested in having a passive income in the crypto industry. Take a look. This is the best time of for investment. So enjoy, take a good advantage of it, use it wisely. So that's it for the video. We'll see you in next video. Take care and goodbye.